Hey, this is Robert with a automotive quick tip. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to properly secure the battery in your car. I don't know why I haven't made this video long ago. About half of the cars I see, the batteries are not secure. This little clip here is made to secure the battery in your P80 Volvo and some of the other Volvos. Let me show you how it works. The battery in your car has a ledge in the bottom of it. If you slide the battery away from its proper compartment, slide it out, you can see there's a ledge here, there's a ledge there, there's a ledge on the back of it there. Your battery tray has a ledge catch on the back side of it, a ledge catch on this side of it. So when you put your battery in, you put your battery in on a tilt. The front of the car is tilted up because this part of the battery tray does not have a ledge catch, but you set it down and you slide it back under the ledge catch on that side. Then you take the battery and you slide it this way and it'll get caught under the ledge catch here. Now you can no longer lift the battery out of the tray. It's impossible. Now your little battery clip here holder is designed to clip in the groove. You got grooves here for different size batteries. That little tip there will grab in that groove. The tip of it will be alongside the battery. You push that down and that locks the battery in place. Now the battery can't be slid that way. It can't be slid forward. So it's locked in position and can't come out. So open up the hood, check your battery, see if it's secure. If not, get one of those clips, get it secure. People find those things everywhere. Places that change and check your battery often lose those things, and they're about $5. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.